could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is day 3. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this series yet, and I don't know what I'm gonna call this look yet, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. So starting right out with this look, I'm using my red lip pencil from Amazon. This is in a navy collection, and this is what I'm going to use to outline the shape of my broken heart. I already know I'm going to regret putting red in the middle of my face like this. I know it's going to stain my skin, but I'm using the red from the You Can't Be Athena makeup paint palette. Okay, so right here I knew that I was making a mistake because I thought I was just going to be able to cover my eyebrows without doing anything, trying to do it the lazy way, and it was not looking right at all. So I had to go back and actually blend out, like not blend out, but put away my eyebrows. So I was going to use Elmer's glue to take away my eyebrows, but I was like, why not use Got To Be? Because I don't have no regular lash glue, so I'm using Got To Be to take away my eyebrows, and I'm going to just put it on my eyebrows first, and then afterwards comb it up with my spoolie. To set the eyebrow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm really pressing the powder in, like really pressing it in. I'm going to gently brush away the powder, not too harsh because I don't want to take away. I don't want to take away from what I just did. You know what I mean? Now I'm going to continue to fill in my face with the red paint from the P. Louise, not from the P. Louise, from the You Can't Be Athena makeup paint palette. So I'm going to start out by using the black from the Nikita Morphe palette. I'm sorry, the Lisa Frank Morphe palette. And this is what I'm going to use to put on my eyelids. Before I do that, I'm going to prime with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. And I'm going to use that to shape out where I want my eyeshadow to be. I'm using the translucent setting powder from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to use this to dry down my eyelid area. Switching palettes, I'm going into the Crayon case, the matte book, and I'm going to use this purple, this violet color, and this red color, and these are what the colors I'm going to use to, I guess, achieve the eyelid that you already see that I did. So I wanted to add some type of shine in the middle, so I'm going with my glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using this pink shade. I'm only going to apply it to the middle of the lid. Okay, so I'm using the white from the same Athena makeup paint palette, and that's what I'm going to use to highlight today. And this part was kind of, I'm not going to say difficult, it was tedious because just blending in, getting that right blend, but you know, it's whatever. Okay, so now that I have my paint layer down, I'm going to use the setting powder from the Athena makeup paint palette, and this is what I have to use every time I place paint down to dry it down to keep it into place. So now that I've done putting my paint down that I'm going to put down, this is what I'm going to use to set with. I think I said it already. Oh no, that just sounded really mouthy. Okay, going into that blank going into that black from that paint palette, I'm going to create some squiggly brows. And yeah, I'm going to do this part really like slow and steady just so I can keep this same width of the brow all the way throughout. Okay, so using that white color now, I'm going to create like a teardrop shape. I did not look at a teardrop before I did this, and I should have did. I should have did. I should have, because yeah, I could not think about what shape a teardrop was. Like I could like that looks like a leaf. That does not even look like a teardrop, yo. The foundation that I'm using is my Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Cinnamon, and I'm going to outline my heart first and then take my big fluffy brush and then blend out my foundation. So I decided I wanted to add some glitter, and I don't have any like white lash glue. I don't have any like face glue either, so I'm about to use Elmer's glue. I would not recommend this, but this is all that I had. So I'm going to use this to apply my chunky glitter, and my chunky silver glitter is from the Beast by Debs Cosmetics. So that same burgundy shade that I used on my eyes earlier from the crayon case, I'm using that shade again to add some shade into my my bad, y'all. Add some shade into the inner part of my hearts. So this is just some lip oil that I'm using. I got this from the beauty supply store, and I decided I wanted to add this because I don't know, I feel like this look would go perfect with like a glossy eye, and I didn't have regular lip gloss. Okay, I'm not even gonna front y'all. Like these leaves. I cannot talk every time I press record. But these lips did not come out how I wanted them to come out. What I wanted them to come out is like a sad, regular, like sad upside down lip. See, I get what I'm saying? Like that's what I was going for. And I mean, I feel like I did a little good job of it, but it could have been better. And the lipstick that I'm using is some Revlon lipstick that I got from Walmart. I forgot the name of it, but I had this lipstick for a really long time. Okay, so to help break out the shape of the upside down lips that I was trying to achieve, I'm going to back over it with some brown eyeliner. And I got this brown eyeliner pencil from the beauty supply store, but this is what I'm going to use to like give more of a shadow effect, so you can actually tell that I'm trying to make lips that's upside down basically. Because right now you can't tell. It just looked dumb. It looked like blood is leaking, and that's not what it's giving. This is the final look. It came out super cute. I really like it. Only thing I would change about it is lips, but you know, overall it's a really good look. I still would rate it 10 out of 10. If you like this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat. Follow my socials that's in my description, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Take your spotlight.